trade again because Jandel turned on trade pets again. So I added 2 more of these guys. These are a trillion buck each. I got only one of each. So quickly, and I am offering moth and another moth and one queen bee and a starfish that is age is 50 and a blood owl that is 42 and Lani that a cook tower that is 42 age 2 and night owl that is 31 and blood owl that is 29 and night owl that is 16 years old. Go now and comment your username and I'll be going first now.